Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get classic faces in Roblox. So first, you can go ahead and use the avatar editor. Open the Roblox application or also go to its website and select avatar from the left-hand side of the screen. In my web browser, it is between friends and inventory. Now at the top, under body options, you need to go ahead and select head. Pick the face that you want to use. In your avatar preview, you can click on the face icon and navigate to the head shape panel and disable the facial animation. Scroll down and toggle off this option for facial animation, and your avatar will now display a classic face. You can also do it using the marketplace. So go to marketplace from the top of the screen. Now go to this drop-down menu under all and select body. Then select heads, click on apply. Then after, click on the search bar in the top and search for the face that you're looking for. Look for similar faces. Some may not have animations and you can then use one of these. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.